Hey guys, this is RD Techie, and I've got a big box here today to unbox. And it is a JVC speaker. It's a Bluetooth speaker. I've wanted to buy one for a while, but I just finally got my chance. I saw it on sale, so I picked it up. And you know me, I like a good deal. So I'm going to cut this thing right open after the intro. Right, so we're going to cut right into this. Usually, I would be doing all the recording on this computer, but I had some technical difficulties, so I have my laptop doing the recording. Hence, I don't know if you guys can see it. You might see it after the audio. So let's cut right in. Ooh, that's a nice cut. It's all about the weapon. Yeah, it's the weapon of choice right here. It was very cheap as well. $10 or something when I bought it. Very cheap. The shipping, it was from Wish, so yeah. The shipping costs more than the thing itself. This is a big box, and in this big box is a bill. That. And there's another big box. Boy. Well, it's not a big, it's a smaller box. I mean, you can't really fit a bigger box in a box, but okay. Unboxing the bigger box from the smaller box. Okay, there you go. Try to pull this out, but not be a complete idiot about it. I achieved half of those things. So I'm gonna take this box and do our usual. Wasn't as loud. Amazon boxes make more noise. So there's my review. We're done here now. So this is the JVC portable speaker. It says it has 20 watts of output, which is very surprising because it was very, very reasonably priced. And when I say reasonably priced, I mean seriously reasonably priced. I don't remember exactly how much I paid for it, but I will put that up somewhere over here. It was on sale in on Flipkart, actually. I was gonna say Amazon because I'm used to saying that now, but it was a good deal. It has lights and everything. I don't know if you got the lights, you got the output, input, whatever. So let's continue our unboxing. The seal is not cut, which is awesome. After my recent experiences, seals that are actually sealed are hard to come by. I probably shouldn't use this knife for this. Oh my god, I stabbed myself. Almost, but we're good. We're good. I think I just somehow made it worse by cutting the seal. Okay, there we go. Gotta hear, wait for that click. Alright, okay, so this is the owner's manual. I'm gonna regret doing that in a second when I don't know how to pair, but oh, look at this! Oh, this is awesome! I love it, I love it! Oh, it's heavy! It is heavy! Oh! Where's that? Warranty card. Put that away. It kind of looks. It's a boombox. I didn't expect it to be so big. I mean, yeah, the box was a clue, but all right. So that one there. I'll take that out of there. Is this it? This is it. Everything's here. Yeah, that's it. So this is the thing. It says, warning, this bag is not a toy. Okay. I needed that warning, though. I'll tell you right now. So we have... I'm going to put this a little bit to the side and not actually drop it off the table, but we'll get to it, okay? YouTubers have taught me that you only look at the most awesome thing last. There's a remote... I can't wait for it. I'm going to look into the awesome thing now. There's a remote and cable, so you guys can... You're not stupid. There's some fingerprints, I think, over there. That's gonna but other than that, this looks awesome. It's brilliant. It's got like, I hope all the lights work. I really hope that all the lights work. Now let's look at the crappy stuff. I mean the less important stuff. Actually, let me talk about the ports before we do that. So you have, on this side, you have a mic port. You're feeling like singing, you know, belting out one of the classics, as you do. You have a DC, that's the charging. It looks like a USB cord. You have a micro SD spot. You have a USB port. You have the aux port, which is great. And then you have a bunch of buttons like next song, whatever, MLED. I don't know what the M is for, but LED, I'm guessing it's for the mic. Switch it on as well. And then you got the volume rocker. Oh! Okay, so I did not expect that to happen. I was just showing you the rocker. But that is a nice surprise, ain't it? Look at the lights, man. Ooh, it's getting fancy up here. All right, let's open up the next one. Well, not the next one. It's not like I bought multiple speakers. That would be crazy. Would it? But it would be crazy. So this is the remote. It looks pretty flimsy. Very, very, like the kind that would fade away in like a week. So, you know, but if you're connecting with your phone, do you really need a remote? I mean, it's kind of like that, but it's fine. This is the 3.5 to 3.5 cable. That's awesome. I always like getting those with the speakers because not everyone has these lying around. But because I bought speakers in the past, I do have them lying around. But it's good to get anyway, though. And this is the charging cable that goes into the USB. Brilliant. And this, look at that, included batteries. You guys don't know why I'm so surprised about included batteries because that video went belly up. I couldn't publish it. I couldn't publish it because my hard disk had a little bit of a problem. But you will understand soon enough once I get that video done why I'm so surprised. So when I bought this keyboard that I'm using for that laptop, twice included keyboards were included batteries were completely missing. So okay, 2 batteries, those batteries. Putting this in here and putting this in here. Ooh, I got fancy remote now. Okay, let's try connecting this to the thing. So I'm gonna go to my Bluetooth. It's searching. I do like, look at this thing though. It's got Bluetooth. It tells you what mode. That's pretty useful. It says blue for Bluetooth. Honestly, when I saw the picture, I thought that was the color of the light. Look at that. That just looks fancy. Oh my lord. It says no devices found. Okay, you know, this is where I need the manual, which we threw away. I'm gonna go read the manual. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Okay. Believe it or not, I did not need the manual. It's still lying in the floor. It showed up after I searched. It says XSN218. So I'm hoping it's this one. She thinks it's this one as well. Let's go to Spotify. And I'm gonna play something from Spotify, but I'm not gonna play anything I can't use. I'm gonna search for Alibi. We're sponsors, you know. I'm very happy to say I am sponsored by Alibi Music. You guys hear any music in my video, it's from Alibi. This is actually Alibi's Spotify page. I'm gonna play something from Alibi, which have over 15,000 monthly listeners and like a bunch of songs, man. It's insane. Okay, so we're gonna start with Epic Hip Hop. There we go. Epic Hip Hop 2 is the band, is the thing. Oh, not what I wanted to press. Okay, again, not what I wanted to press. What the hell? Oh, okay, I'm pressing random stuff. Oh, there you go. Epic Hip Hop. This came out in 2018, apparently. Let's see if. That's loud. I'm not gonna go louder because people are gonna think I'm. That is at 20. Okay? Pretty powerful speaker, guys. That is pretty powerful. I don't know if you can see the number. I'm now at 20. This is 20. This is the subwoofer right here. You can hear it. That is very loud, and it can get loud. And I'm not saying it was super duper clear sound. It wasn't. You can see some graininess in the sound, but it was still pretty darn awesome. And I just love the lights, man. That was just awesome. Kind of distracting me when I'm trying to talk, but it was awesome. I will leave the link to JVC's, this model on Flipkart. I will link the link. For you guys outside of India, I will try and find a link for you in Amazon or something. But this is pretty good. I love the build quality. Feels like you can actually like carry this thing around, you know? Like you can take it to the beach. I mean, it's got like these stand things, and it's all like this weird matte finish rubber. So it's not like a fingerprint magnet. The glass is a fingerprint magnet, I would assume, but it still lights up really well. It doesn't really have any dull spots that I'm looking at, well, except this one, but I think that's where the joint is, you know, so because it's one straight line right there. But I am thoroughly impressed. This is super cool. You know why it's super cool? Because it lights up like a freaking Christmas tree. That is cool. But on that note, what did you think? Have you bought something like this? Have you bought something that has this kind of wattage at this price? Let me know in the comments, guys. I would love to know. And thank you for watching. I hope you all have a fantastic day, fantastic weekend up ahead. And yeah, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. As also, wash your hands. I mean, we've been saying this for a while. You guys should be washing your hands right now, all right? So wash your hands. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.